Hi, welcome to Ignited Minds. The sole mission of this is to encourage constant learning by sharing knowledge and experiences in the form of videos and lectures. Please subscribe to this channel. In this video, we're going to look at one problem related to triangles and angles. So, the problem statement is how many triangles can be drawn having its angles as 53 degrees, 64 degrees, and 63 degrees. So suppose the three angles that we are talking about are ABC and which are 53, 64 and 63 degrees respectively. So let us do a sum of all these three angles. So A plus B plus C equal to 53 plus 64 plus 63, and when you do the math it comes out to be exactly 180 degrees. Well, as you know from the sum property, angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of all the angles in a triangle all sum up to exactly 180 degrees. Now, as you see here, the sum of A and B and C are equal to 180 degrees. They make up a very valid triangle. As you know, in a valid triangle, the sum of all the angles is always 180 degrees. So, therefore, it is possible to draw a triangle with its angles as 53, 64, and 63. In case you're wondering, oh, you can draw just one triangle with these angles, but the answer is you can actually draw infinite number of triangles that satisfy these angles. Let me show some examples. So the first triangle that you see, yeah, it is triangle which basically having the three values, three angles has 53, 64 and 63. But I can draw a larger triangle with the same angles, because as you know, like just because the angles are same doesn't necessarily mean that the triangle cannot have its sides, which is bigger than the previous one. As you can see here, I can draw a different sets of triangles with all the same angles as given, but the sides of the triangle could vary. So I can draw an infinite number of triangles. Not only that, the points A and B and C are not actually have to be exactly like this. Instead of in the first diagram where A and B are basically are parallel to x-axis, I can actually put this point A and B and C anywhere in the space, and I can draw a triangle. That way, I can draw an infinite number of triangles that way. And similarly, the angle B and C can be swapped. That way, I can have even more number of triangles that are possible. So, in short, I can actually draw an infinite number of triangles that satisfies the given angles in the problem. So, hope you have understood this problem. So, thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.